Alright, welcome back to Offbeat Travel VK. An interesting place here today. Not in the mountains, but we actually are trying to do tubing. Last time I did tubing was almost 12 years ago in Keystone. And this time I've come to a place called Windsor, Colorado, which is actually off of the mountains. It's actually in the plains. And I'm just here with a couple of friends. He's actually a friend who I met in Croatia, and if you can see him on the Croatia episode, he's there in the Zagreb episode, John. So I met him up, and we are here today. And it's not like a super steep hill, but it's just, you know, some entertainment to have during the winter season. So I wanted to bring you this new episode, an interesting new place. This place is called Hoedown Hill in Windsor, Colorado. It's just off of Loveland, Colorado. And if you drive up north on I-25, it's on the right side. You will actually see it. It's $40 per person for 3 hours, and you know, you can go as many times as you can. Get all your equipment. Make sure you have your snow pants, you know, boots, jacket, and you know, everything that you need, all the gears that you need. Don't come without gears. I don't think there's a rental here. That's why I'm mentioning that for you guys. And yeah, enjoy if you come here. And if you have any questions, post it on the comments, and I will definitely respond back. So this video will be added to our Colorado series, and you can ask me any questions in the comments or in my email, and I'll be gladly ready to help in terms of any questions. So they do have a small skiing path here. I see the skiing area here, but I think this is more it's more milder, and they have a bunch of tubing hills here. They have some snowboarding there, and I think they actually have some classes as well, so people are also learning how to ski and snowboard. So I'll show you an experience once I go down the hill, and hopefully you enjoy this, and see you guys soon. So this is kind of the entrance. You come into the parking lot. There's ticketing there, and then they have some bathrooms and like some shops, etc., things to eat. And as you can see, the mountains are in the back over there. Those are the Rockies, and then this is just on the other side of the highway. So yeah, if you come here, have fun. Definitely get your kids here. It's definitely a very kid-friendly place, and I'll show you a glimpse of tubing very soon. once you finish a round of tubing, you kind of go up on this escalator. See that? You go all the way up, then you kind of go there. Nice. Drag your own tube. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do check this out if you're in Colorado. As you know, as I said, true to the channel, offbeat location, Windsor, Colorado. I'll put the address on Google Maps in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Stay safe, keep traveling. This is the world famous Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is famous for its exceptionally clean bathrooms, large selection of Texas style barbecue food, a wide variety of snacks like beaver nuggets, and a unique shopping experience, all combined with a massive gas station with a large number of pumps, sometimes going up around upwards of 100 pumps, making it a popular pit stop amongst travelers, often described as the Disney World of gas stations. Check it out.